Hello viewers, today we are talk about Alan Douglas Davidson and his female modest paintings. Alan Douglas Davidson was a renowned Scottish artist known for his exceptional talent in capturing the essence of female beauty through his paintings. Born in 1954 in Glasgow, Davidson's work has left an indelible mark on the art world, particularly in the realm of portraying women with grace, poise, and a touch of mastery. One of Davidson's distinctive features as an artist was his ability to transcend traditional portraiture and infuse his paintings with a unique blend of realism and romanticism. His female model, in particular, become the focal point of his artistic expression. Through his brushwork, he brought of to life not only their physical attribute but also their inner emotion and narratives. Davidson's fascination with the female form was evident in the meticulous attention he paid to detail. His painting often showcased a keen understanding of anatomy and a mastery of light and shadow, allowing him to create a scene of deep that brought his subjects to life on canvas. Whether it was the play of sunlight on following looks of hair or the subtle counters of a figure. Davidson's technical skills was unparalleled. The female models in Davidson painting were not mere subjects. They were muses that inspired a range of emotion in the viewer. His work had the ability to evoke feeling of nostalgia, longing and admiration. The women in his painting were divides, each telling a different story and evoking a unique atmosphere. Some exuded confidence and strength, while others conveyed vulnerability and introspection. One notable aspect of Davidson's approach was his use of color. His palette ranged from soft, muted tones to bold, vibrant hues, reflecting the myriad facet of womanhood. The interplay of colors in his compositions added an extra layer of complexity and visual interest, making each painting a feast of the eyes. The setting in which Davidson placed his female model were also carefully chosen, from scenes, landscapes to bustling cityscape, he skillfully integrated the surrounding to complement and enhance the narrative of each painting. This attention to context contributed to the overall storytelling aspect of his art, inviting viewers to delve deeper into the lives and emotion of his subjects. While Davidson's work was undeniably rooted in classical techniques, he often incorporated modern elements, giving his paintings a timeless quality. This fusion of traditional and contemporary aesthetic made his art accessible to a wide audience, transcending generation and cultural boundaries. In conclusion, Alan Douglas Davidson's painting of female model stand as a testament to his artistic prowess and his ability to capture the nuanced beauty of woman. His work goes beyond mere representation, delving into the realms of emotion, storytellings, and the timeless celebration of femininity. Through his brush, Davidson not only created visually stunning artwork but also crafted compelling narratives that continue to resonate with art enthusiasts around the world. Alan Douglas, a renegade artist known for his exquisite paintings, has left an indelible mark on the art world with his captivating depiction of female models. Through his skilled use of color, form, and emotion, Davidson's work transcends mere representation, offering viewers a profound insight into the beauty and complexity of the feminine form. One of Davidson's notable contributions to the art world is his ability to capture the essence of his female subjects in a way that goes beyond superficial. His painting delve into the intricacies of human emotion, telling stories of strength. Davidson's mastery of color is evident in his treatment of the female form. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.